I'm here in the kitchen and dining area. I rearranged the walls. I put all my cutting boards over here. The newest one is this round one here, pizza board, that I ordered off of Amazon. This one's in the shape of Alabama, which is where I live. And these two cutting boards were gifts. And I moved my rooster to this table, which is a very unique table. I also inherited this from my husband's parents when they passed away. We inherited 2 tables from them, which are beautiful. This one, I'm not sure if this was an Amish-made table or not, but I know the marble top one was. And at night, this little light back here that's in the shape of an elephant is really cute. It lights it up nicely. And then I have this rooster and hen picture. That was from Lowe's. Now my buffalo check curtains, I had to close them because the sun is beaming in right now. But those were from Amazon. And this unique cake stand is from the Dollar General. I just put a candle on top right now. Even the runner came from the Dollar General. And the buffet table, I moved to this side of the room with the 3 tulip prints from Lowe's. These are all from Lowe's. And here on my buffet table, well, the first thing is this beer stein with Annie Oakley on it. The Wild West show with an Indian on top and an Indian headdress there on top of the handle. This was from my days with Avon. I used to sell Avon. Let me see if I can pick this up and show you the bottom. This is probably about 25 years old. It's been a good many years since I sold Avon. So I'm pretty sure you can't get this anymore. But it's gorgeous. Trying to get all angles. Yeah, isn't that cool? Couple copper mugs there. I'm not sure where I got those. The china I've had for a good many years. And the candlesticks with a garden ball on top. Now here's a pocket watch. I've just had that for a good many years. I'm not sure where I got it. You know what? I think I picked that up at a garage sale. I'll turn it over. There's the other side. Shows the inner workings of it. It's a very cool pocket watch. Okay, another candlestick with a garden ball. And part of my china set. Now I did add this Welcome to Wonderland chair with a slip cover that I got from Amazon. I have another one on the way. I thought it would look good in here. So I've got one at this end of the table, and I'll put the other one down this end. Right now it's just a gray cover. And I even believe I got these gray covers on Amazon. See, it's just gray. Which is fine, but I wanted to get the match for it. Okay, that'll do it. Thank you for watching.